There you go, I thought I'd just show you as a quick one today. Bought a Basestation caravan. It was fitted with a 50mm ball, so basic setup. We're going to upgrade to a D035 Cruisemaster hitch. Now this kit's just this, we've got bolts and obviously the pin that it sits in. So let's see how easy it is. Just basic tools, 19mm spanner, 13mm spanner and a ratchet, and I've got a tension wrench there as well. So let's go, let's get into it and see how long it takes us to do it. I'm going to cheat. Hit the rattle gun. I'm going to release, I've already released the brakes. There's a brake attachment on the back, the same with the D035. Goes through here. Hold one off. Clean the surface. New one on. Now, more than likely this is going to need an adjustment. So we can see there it's quite loose, but we'll see what happens when I pull the brake on and where we're at. I'm not going to tighten these all the way up, I'll just take up the slack.
Why don't you tighten them all the way up?
Because we've got to put a tension wrench on it just to get it up to tension. 90 Newton meters they require according to the Cruisemaster's specifications.
What do you got there?
Tension wrench. We're just going to go up to 90 Newton meters. There. One. Two. Probably more awkward than hard. So now it just requires a handbrake adjustment because I'm way out of adjustment. But we'll see how we go. We might do that in another video. Quick and easy as that. Thanks for watching.